Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to make a simple base salve recipe. You make salves for all sorts of different things. I do salves for pain, for skincare, for all sorts of things. I'm not going to go way deep into exact herbs that I used in this, but I will be doing some other videos that touch on different herbs and their constituents and what they're used for. And if you watch those, then you can kind of figure out for yourself what kind of herbal oils, herbal salves you need to make for you. And in order to do that, just subscribe to my channel and you can watch my weekly videos. Okay, so for today, I did a simple salve recipe. I did 4 different herbal oils that I like to use. So I did a half cup of each oil. So I've got 2 cups of oil in here, and then I did a half cup of beeswax. And that's going to make my my salve for this one. This is my skin salve recipe. And I've got a couple different things in here. One I like for skin is chickweed. One is plantain. For pain, I like arnica. For sciatica, I like black cohosh. Just kind of depends. Like I said, like and comment and subscribe to my channel so you can watch some of the other videos where I will dive deep into those herbs. So right now all I'm doing is waiting for this oil, for the beeswax to melt into the oil. And when I do that, I want to use a wooden spoon. Kind of move it around, see the beeswax in there. So I use beeswax pellets more than anything. I really like the pellets. I like how it's easier for me than like blocks of beeswax. So I do that. This is a double boiler. What it is on the bottom one, you've got your water, and then your top pot fits right into the bottom pot so that the water boiling up heats up that top pot and then melts anything in it. It's a really cool system. You can do a lot with a double boiler, including making dips, but not ones that you do your oils in, okay? They should be separate. That's what I do there, waiting for that to infuse. Okay, so now that our beeswax is all melted into our oils, we're going to turn off the heat, remove from heat, and we're going to add any other things we want to add. Some of my salves, I add a little vitamin E oil, depending on what kind of salve I'm making. I like to do it to my skin salves. And then I also add my essential oils. I always add my essential oils after removing from the heat, because the heat can kill some of the properties in your essential oil. So you don't want to boil it in there. It will defeat the purpose. Okay, so now I am adding my vitamin E oil. About 20 drops or a quarter dropper full. It all depends on your dropper. All right. Okay, the other thing I did while my beeswax was melting was I prepared my tins. You can use any sort of jars you want. You can use baby food jars, anything like that. I get these tins. I use these. Sometimes I use baby food jars. So you just want to get them ready, open, ready for the stuff, okay? And then I'm going to put my essential oils in. In this particular recipe, I'm going to use some nice skin soothing essential oils. In this particular case, I'm going to use geranium, okay, and tea tree. Might be getting kind of low. If you want to know where I get my oils and how you can get them, I will put a link at the bottom of this video and you can check that out. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to mix it back up. Just kind of spread it all in there more with my melted stuff. And then I'm going to pour them into my tins. If you're going to use baby food jars, especially reused baby food jars, make sure that they're sanitized and ready to go. These little tins are ready to go. You just want to avoid mold things. So I like this little measuring cup because I can use this and then just pour in easily. Okay. I also like to weigh these out and do that, which I'm going to do with the rest of these. I just wanted to show you a super simple way to do this. Now, if this is too much work for you and you don't want to do it all yourself, and I didn't give you my entire recipe here, but then you can go to the link below that way and go right to the shopping tab, and you can check out the salves that I have for sale, and you can simply buy them there. But I wanted to give you a simple, easy base recipe that if you wanted to start making your own salves, you just switch and choose what essential oils you want to use and what herbs you want to use, and whether you want to use olive oil or a different oil infusion or any of that kind of stuff. Stay tuned to my other videos to learn more about different oils and herbs and how to infuse and all that kind of thing. I'll talk to you all later. Have a blessed day.